How to log in to another account in Amazon Prime. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can log in to another account in Prime. Now I won't be able to show you particularly here due to the security issues, as the screen will be recorded black and blank, so I'll just be guiding you through, so stay tuned to the video. First, what you want to do is you want to open up Prime Video and you want to head into Accounts and List menu, and from there you want to select Switch Accounts option. Now to add a new Amazon account to the browser, select Add Account option and then enter your account credentials and follow the instructions on the screen. Now to switch between accounts, you'll just have to select the account you want from the Switch Accounts page. So it's quite simple and easy. The other way, what you can do is you can simply log into your account, and then first you want to head into the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once on profile icon you want to head into settings by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner, and from there you want to head into my account option, and from there you want to select the logout option. Once you log out, you'll be headed into login page where you can log into your another account. So this way you can log into other account in Amazon Prime. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.